Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be changing out the M.2 SSD drive on an ASUS gaming laptop. Let's take a look at the back of the model. Identify, it says G513R. That is the model that what I have here. So first of all, let's get a Phillips screwdriver and start removing the screws. Just so you know, the screws are not the same. So when you remove them, you might want to make sure that you do not mix match those screws. Keep in mind the bottom right screw here, it does not come off. Alright, so once you have all the screws removed, the next thing is to remove the back cover. You want to be very careful with this because the cable is still connected to it. This laptop here has the LED light, the RGB light here. You do not want to just remove the back cover and yank that cable. So I will start with the screw that is still attached to it because that gives me a better opening here. As I'm going all around the corner, I can separate the back cover now. Okay, at this point, let's be very careful lifting it up. I am just slightly leaning it forward, and the two cables right here is still attached to it. So go ahead and flip it open and slide that flex cable away to remove and disconnect. And now you can remove the entire back cover. And that is the M.2 drive. I'll be removing that. And I'll be replacing with this M.2 SSD drive. Since it's a brand new M2, you need to have Windows installed. You can download the Windows 11 USB installer, the media creation tools or whatnot. You can download them online for free. You just need a USB, create a bootable Windows 11 installation, stuck it in and fresh install Windows, download the driver off the website, and that should be all it. So all you have to do is reconnect the flex cable. Just want to make sure that the blue side of it is facing up. Connect and make sure the clipper clips on and finish up the back cover. All right, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye now.